we're still experiencing firsts, but we are, and you're going to hear a first shortly. I heard that it's pronounced like glamorous without the G. Okay, glamorous without the G. Please join me in recognizing Amaris Leiataua. Thank you, Leiataua. Amaris, like glamorous without the G, is a first-generation Samoan American from the great city of Compton. Yes. She is proud to have attended Roosevelt Elementary, Roosevelt Middle School, and Dominguez High School, public schools in the Compton Unified School District. She is the first in her family to graduate from college, earning a Bachelor of Arts in Social Welfare and Education from UC Berkeley, and a Master of Education from UCLA. Amaris has dedicated over a decade to teaching and creating educational pipelines for higher education for historically underrepresented students, including teaching 7th grade history in Compton Unified School District. Here it is. Amaris graduated with her Juris Doctorate from BYU Law School in 2024, making her the first Samoan from Compton to do so, and one of around 3 Samoans in all of LA County ever. While in law school, Amaris interned at the Utah Supreme Court and United States District Court for the District of Utah. She also served as president of the only Pacific Islander Law Student Association in the nation and on the board of the Black Law Student Association. Amaris is currently working in the real estate, construction, finance, and bankruptcy group for Holland and Hart in their Salt Lake City office. She dedicates all of her success to her family who's surrounding her today, especially her parents and grandmas and the City of Compton. Despite all of her accomplishments, her most important title is Auntie to Moi Moi. Moi Moi.
Yeah.
Moi Moi reminds her that her future is in great hands. All right, Moi Moi. The Board of Supervisors of the County of LA hereby congratulates and commends you during Women's History Month for being, again, the first Samoan to earn a Juris Doctorate degree in the City of Compton. Please give her a round of applause.
Big smile, moi moi.
With the suit on. Look at you.